Do you ever wonder why, despite your efforts, your financial situation just isn't improving? Many of us unknowingly fall victim to habits that actively prevent wealth accumulation. Today, we're exposing 5 common traps that might be keeping you from financial freedom. First up, the allure of instant gratification. In a world of buy now, pay later, and endless sales, it's easy to prioritize what you want today over what you need for tomorrow. This habit often leads to impulse purchases and accumulating debt rather than investing for future growth. Think about that new gadget versus contributing to your retirement fund. Our second habit is neglecting your budget, or worse, not having one at all. Many people earn a good income, but without a clear understanding of where that money goes, it simply disappears. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about being intentional with every dollar and ensuring you're in control, not the other way around. Third, the dangerous cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. This habit leaves you vulnerable. Without an emergency fund, any unexpected expense, a car repair, a medical bill, can send you spiraling into debt. Financial security comes from having a buffer, a safety net that protects you when life throws a curveball. The fourth habit is the fear of investing. Many people, especially in an uncertain economic climate, prefer to keep their money safe in a savings account. However, inflation erodes your purchasing power over time. Investing, even small amounts consistently, allows your money to work for you through the power of compound interest. Don't let fear keep you from building real wealth. Finally, the fifth habit is neglecting your financial education. The world of money is constantly evolving. If you're not continuously learning about new strategies, market trends, or even just basic financial literacy, you're leaving money on the table. Make it a habit to dedicate time each week to improving your financial IQ. Your future self will thank you. Breaking these habits isn't easy, but it's essential for achieving financial well-being. Start small, be consistent, and commit to making smarter financial choices. Which habit are you going to tackle first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more financial insights. This must be money.